effect of change of temperature. Take some ice in a beaker, then one thermometer, then one glass stirrer. What happened? On increasing the temperature increases. What happened? Temperature increases, kinetic energy of molecules increases. Temperature increases, kinetic energy of molecules increases. Then kinetic energy increases, force of attraction decreases. Kinetic energy increases, force of attraction decreases. Force of attraction decreases. In the case of ice, ice is in solid state. Ice absorb the heat energy. Then the temperature increases. The kinetic energy of the molecules increases. The kinetic energy means the movement of molecules. Molecules increases. Then kinetic energy increases. Then force of attraction decreases. Then force of attraction decreases. The molecule starts moving and changes into another state. Then ice converted into liquid, water. Ice converted into water. Then during the experiment of melting, the temperature of the system does not change. After the melting point is reached till at the ice melts. During the experiment of melting, the temperature of the system does not change. Why? After the melting point is reached till all the ice melts. Then temperature increases, the kinetic energy of molecules increases and force of attraction decreases. Then the amount of heat energy is required to change the solid into liquid at atmospheric pressure at its melting point is known as latent heat of fusion. What happened to that heat? The amount of heat energy is required to change the 1 kilogram of solid into liquid state. 1 kilogram of solid converted into liquid state at atmospheric pressure at its melting point. At its melting point. This is known as the latent heat of fusion. Latent means hidden. Once more, the temperature increases, the kinetic energy of the molecules increases and force of attraction decreases. That's why the ice absorbs the heat energy and converted into liquid state. Then latent heat of fusion means 1 kilogram of solid. The amount of heat energy is required to change 1 kilogram of solid into liquid at atmospheric pressure at its melting point. That is known as latent heat of fusion. In the case of ice, ice absorbs heat energy. Ice is in solid state. It converted into liquid state. Water. Ice converted into liquid state at atmospheric pressure at its melting point. During the experiment of melting, the temperature does not change after the melting is reached till all the ice melt. The latent means, what is the meaning of latent? Hidden. Next one, water changes into water vapor. When we supply heat energy, then water molecule absorb that heat energy. When we supply heat energy, the water molecules absorb that heat energy and What happened then? Temperature increases. Temperature increases. The water in that water molecules gain kinetic energy. Kinetic energy also increases. Kinetic energy increases. Temperature increases. Kinetic energy increases. Then kinetic energy increases at a particular temperature. Then force of attraction decreases. At a particular temperature, force of attraction decreases and changes into which stage? Water vapor. Water changes into water vapor. Then liquid to gaseous form. Here also the temperature increases, the kinetic energy of the molecules increases. Then kinetic energy increases at a particular temperature. The water changes into gaseous state, that is water vapor. Then force of attraction decreases. The force of attraction decreases. Then it converted into vapor state. Temperature increases, then kinetic energy of molecules increases. Then kinetic energy means movements of molecules. Then kinetic energy increases at a particular temperature. The force of attraction decreases and the water changes into water vapor. Water starts changes into water vapor. The liquid to gaseous state. Liquid to gaseous state. Then temperature increases, kinetic energy increases, then force of attraction decreases. Then the temperature at which liquids start boiling at its atmospheric pressure is known as boiling point. The temperature at which liquid starts boiling at atmospheric pressure is boiling point. Boiling point. The temperature at which liquids start boiling at atmospheric pressure is known as boiling point. In the case of water, then temperature increases, water molecules absorb the heat energy and the kinetic energy increases, then force of attraction decreases, then water changes into water vapor. The temperature at a particular temperature, the temperature at which liquids start boiling at atmospheric pressure is not, that temperature is not boiling point. The temperature at which liquid starts boiling at atmospheric pressure is known as boiling point. Then